Hi, today is Friday, and today again we come up with another verse of Gita because today is Gita in action. And today's verse is from chapter 4, verse 7. But before that, let me just introduce Anna Goyal, who's the media marketing expert for Tour de Force. And today we have our mom, my mother. Her name is Sudha Khandelwal, and she's my mentor and guide. Like she's always kind of guided me throughout my life and continues to guide me. So, with this, let me start with the shlok. And after that, we will have mom to just translate it in Hindi, and Anna will translate it in English, and then we will see how we can take it in our day to day life from each other's perspective. All right, so let's get started. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. Please, mother, can you explain it in Hindi?
यह शिल्पी जब जब धर्म की हानि होती है और अधर्म की वृद्धि होती है तब तब मैं साकार रूप में प्रकट होता हूँ माने अवतरित होता हूँ. प्लीज एना ट्रांसलेट इट इन इंग्लिश.
Sure, thank you. Whenever there is a decline in righteousness and a rise in unrighteousness prevails, then do I manifest myself, O Bharata. Ma'am, could you please explain this a little?
Perfect. Thank you, Anna. It's a very simple thought which needs to be considered. We live in a universe which needs harmony. Harmony cannot happen when there is sin rising and, of course, the good deeds falling. Harmony has to happen when the good deeds are on the rise. Now, who will do the good deeds? It's me and you, the soul. If I have to identify myself as a body, as Shilpi Khandelwal, I am sure going to do my transaction in the world with desire, expectation, lust, and of course, maybe guilt and fear. And that means I will take shortcuts to get my results. And that will also mean that the sin is rising and my purity, my humility is falling. So every karma that I do, I have to do it from a soul identity. And that will only create the desired result of the dharma rising, and there is a universal balance in the entire ecosystem. I would request my mother to talk about her wisdom about this shlok. Mom?
ये शिल्पी जब मनुष्य अपनी आत्मा का धर्म भूलता है तब धर्म की हानि होती है. हमारी हमारी आत्मा ही हमारा फाउंडेशन है. इस आत्मा को ब्राइट करने के लिए हमें स्पिरिचुअलिटी का सहारा लेना होता है. स्पिरिचुअली मीन्स वी शुड डू loving kindness, non-injury, generosity, generosity and purity, etc. और
Perfect.
जब जब हम इन सब क्वालिटीज को अपने में धारण कर लेते हैं तब परमात्मा अंदर से प्रकट हो जाते हैं. हमें कोई बाहर के परमात्मा या अवतरण की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. ओवर टू एना.
Thank you so much. So, I would like to give an example from Mahabharata itself. So, during the war, Arjun sees that on the other side of the team, there are his family members, his friends, and his teachers, and he doesn't want to kill them. So, he says that, Oh Krishna, I want to admit defeat, I can't kill them. So, this is when Lord Krishna says that you'll be just killing their body, which will be destroyed today or tomorrow. A body is perishable, but the soul, that is eternal. So, from this, I think we can say that we need to work towards bettering our soul. We need to think of the long term, of how the body will be perishable one day or the other, but how do we live a good life? We need to think of the long term and focus on good karma.
Perfect. It was so well said by both of you, and I'm sure whatever we are saying to a certain extent, we need to apply ourselves. Fantastic. Thank you so much, Mother Sudha Khandelwal, for joining us. And I'm sure you have liked the entire thing. I hope to see you next Friday too. And Anna, thank you once again for your wisdom. It was amazing. Thank you so much. Let's meet next Friday. Bye-bye.
Bye.